Kai, rookie investor. Maya, senior investor. Nadia, financial journalist. Marcus, retired banker. Same income, Maya opens. One decision, did you know same income can build two different futures? FCA Financial Lives 2022, women's median pension wealth at retirement age is 35% lower than men's. The gap has a name, it is the start date. Which one am I watching this with, Kai asks. He is not joking. Two people, Maya explains. Same income, same salary for 20 years, same life events, one automated £300 per month from age 25, one planned to start later. At age 45, the gap is already £66,000. At age 65, it is the difference between two different retirements. The only variable was the start date. Series 4 built the portfolio, Maya recalls. Series 5 tests whether it survives real life. Episode 28, The Couple. The conversation that did not happen. The gap that formed while life happened instead. 6 life events across this series, Maya mentions. This is the one most couples never discuss. Subscribe so you have the number before you need it. Back to the question, did you know same income can build two different futures? Here is the gap at age 45, $300 per month at a 7% long-run return, consistent with MSCI World historical data. Starting at 25, portfolio at £4,564,000. Starting at 30, portfolio at 45 approximately £98,000. Gap, $66,000 from 5 years. The same contribution, the same return, the same salary. The only variable was the start date. The compounding gap does not close with higher contributions, Nadia states. DALBAR publishes an annual analysis of investor behavior and returns. The data shows consistently that the catch-up return required to replicate 5 years of early compounding is significantly above any realistic long-run index average. The gap is not closed by working harder. It is not closed by contributing more. The mathematics of compound growth means the start date is the only variable that changes the outcome at age 65. Source: DALBAR, Quantitative Analysis of Investor Behavior, 2025. In 31 years, the pattern is consistent, Marcus confirms. The person who did not start is not less intelligent, less capable, or less disciplined than the person who did. In almost every case, they intended to start. Life intervened. The intention remained. The start date kept moving. The gap kept forming. The question again, Nadia states, did you know same income can build two different futures? Here is the version with a pattern. FCA Financial Lives 2022, women's median pension wealth at ages 55 to 65 is 35% lower than men's. The pension gap and the investment start gap are the same gap. The gap forms in the early career years, the exact years when other financial priorities arrive first. The 5-year gap between starting at 25 and starting at 30 is not 5 years of missed contributions, Maya states. It is the compounding of those contributions across the entire 40-year portfolio lifespan, which cannot be replicated by higher later contributions at any realistic rate of return. The amount can be small, the start must be now. And one more thing the maths does not capture. Sometimes the gap is not a maths problem. Sometimes it is a conversation that never happened. The wrong belief, Nadia states, starting 5 years later does not make that much difference. With higher contributions, I can catch up on the time I lost. The catch-up is mathematically possible. It requires a consistent long-run return significantly above the MSCI World 30-year historical average of approximately 8%. The average investor, per DALBAR's 30-year tracking, does not achieve the index return, let alone beat it. The catch-up belief is the most expensive financial comfort most late starters carry. Source: FCA. Financial Lives Survey 2022. Women's median pension wealth at retirement age 35% lower than men's. The financial services industry profits most from assets under management, Marcus states. An investor who starts later has a smaller portfolio and pays lower fees. But the industry has a secondary product timed precisely to late starters. The catch-up vehicle, the high-return alternative, the actively managed fund that promises to close the gap. The late start is the opening. Neither product tells the late starter that the gap is not closable at realistic returns. One dimension the maths does not address, Maya adds. The gap between starting at 25 and starting at 32 is not always a knowledge problem. In couples, it is often a conversation that never happened, about money scripts, about who manages finances, about whose career takes priority in which year. The number makes the conversation easier. Run the comparison first, then have the conversation. The number removes the argument about whether it matters. We had the same income, Maya admits. I started at 25, they started at 32. At 47, the gap was £218,000. They needed a consistent 12% annual return to close it. The MSCI World 30-year average is approximately 8%. They did not have a maths problem. They had a conversation that happened 7 years too late. Kai steps in. The 5-year gap between starting at 25 and starting at 30 is not 5 years of missed contributions. Kai admits, it is the compounding of those contributions across the entire 40-year portfolio lifespan. which cannot be mathematically replicated by higher later contributions at any realistic rate of return. This week, open the comparison. 100 per month at 7% starting now versus starting 5 years from now. Run the number. Show it to whoever you are watching this with. In the UK, ISA or workplace pension. In Canada, RRSP or TFSA. In Australia, Super confirm your employer contributions are running. In New Zealand, KiwiSaver confirm it is active. The amount is secondary. The start is everything. He called May, Kai admits. Asked how the investing was going, she said it was going well. He asked if she had started her ISA. She had. At 25. Because of him, she did not ask him which fund, she did not ask him how much. She just did it. I did not know whether to be proud or slightly offended. The 1% detail, Nadia states. The FCA defines the gender pension gap as the difference between female and male non-zero uncrystallized median pension wealth around normal minimum pension age. In the 2022 data, that gap is 35% for those aged 55 to 65. For those aged 45 to 49, it is 47%. The gap does not form at retirement, it forms in the first decade of working life. It is still forming right now for the viewer watching this. If the 66,000 figure surprised you, the share is the signal. One person you know who is planning to start later. That is the episode doing its job. Subscribe so you never miss the next one. Next episode, did you know automated investing kept running while life changed everything? Most people never test the system. Episode 29 is coming, subscribe and you will be notified the moment it drops. 2 episodes that build on this. Episode 1, Why 90% of people never build wealth. Episode 25, Kids cost £260,000. This investor kept going anyway.